Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off photos suggestions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, scroll down and tap on photos. Next, tap on Siri in search. Then we go down to the suggestions section and choose whether you want to show photos suggestions on the home screen or not, or you want to allow it to suggest in app or not, and in suggestion notifications. So here, allow suggestions from content from photos and shortcuts for the app to appear in search and in widgets. These suggestions and shortcuts are based on how you use the app. And that's it. Make your selection, and then finally you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.